welcome guys, and in this video we are going to learn that what basically Maven is. Okay, so the Maven will completely change the design of the script what we are doing currently, and we need to set up a Maven project. So what basically Maven is, let's begin from very scratch, and do not worry, I guarantee you that you will understand each and every concept in this video series. Okay, so let me show you the pic of the Selenium architecture, and coming back to the old concept that we have configured the Selenium client library and we have configured the browser drivers right into our script, and then our original browser launched. Okay, the Chrome browser. We can do it for the Firefox using the Gecko browser driver. We can do it for the Internet Explorer okay, using the IE browser driver, and we can do it for the Microsoft Edge, right, using the Edge browser driver, and configuring it into our browser driver folders. Okay, so we have done this till now, but what happens that we have downloaded the browser driver according to the version of the browser what we are using in our computer, right? I went on to this hamburger sign, I went on to help, and then I went over to the Google Chrome. I searched for the version I'm using, and then I went on to Selenium website and I downloaded the browser driver according to the version I'm using, right? But when we are in a team, when we are working in a team, okay, so what happens that are you sure that your teammate is using this same version of the Google Chrome? No, right? Okay, he must have updated it, or he must be using the the version which is outdated, or the previous version. Okay, it is not mandatory to update it every time. You can use the older versions. So he will download the browser driver for the version 105, or maybe below 104. Okay, there were many versions available, right? Let me show you. If you're not getting what I am saying, I should repeat these steps again in front of you. I'm saying that let's go to the downloads and then scroll down, and then let me show you browsers, and then let me show you the documentation. So what I am telling that when you went to the downloads, I am saying that someone in your team may be downloading this browser driver version, right? Someone may be downloading this, and someone may be this according to the version of the Chrome they are using, right? So is it not a problem? Will you people be able to collaborate with each other? No, right? Because when they will in the industry we need to upload our daily task or the GitHub. Okay, GitHub is a repository. A repository means that it's a storage point. Okay, it's a cloud that stores the data. Okay, kind of cloud. For suppose I am giving a very basic definition, and very basically I am telling to you people that it's a repository. It's a place where you can upload your whole task of the day, and then people can import that particular code into your one computer, and then it can run in your computer also. So I am doing task over here, and then I will upload over GitHub, and then I will give you the link, and you can download that particular piece of code, and then you can run the test case over your computer. So will your teammates be able to do this? No, right? Because they are using the another browser driver, and if you will try to run their script in your particular Eclipse IDE, suppose I import a project over here given by my teammate, and I have configured here the Selenium the browser driver according to the version of the Chrome in my system. Okay, so it will not run. Okay, so this is a very big problem which the IT industry was facing. So it was decided that there should be a version control system, right? So Maven or Maven, as you can say it, was the tool that controlled the dependency or the version problem which was happening in this IT industry. So basically to solve this problem, Maven was a tool which was required by the IT industry, so that we need not put this line here and telling that okay, I have this browser driver, and someone would put the another Chrome driver.exe which is using which has been downloaded according to the Chrome version in their computer, and so on. Okay, so what Maven did, that it automatically updates the browser driver, and the problem of this version of the browser driver has been solved by the Maven dependencies. Okay, so Maven basically is inbuilt in your Eclipse IDE. It come as a default package. So you can go to the Windows and you can go to the preferences, and you can see here that yeah, Maven is here downloaded in your Eclipse IDE. If you want to check, you can go for mvn hyphen version. Okay, see, this Maven version has been told by Apache Maven 3.8.4. okay, so close it. And one thing I would like to tell you that Maven also helps in the Selenium version control also. Okay, so how does it help in Selenium version control? That suppose that I have downloaded the reference libraries of Selenium 4. okay, see, Selenium 4.4.0 jar, right? Someone has downloaded Selenium 3.3.0 jar, okay, or someone has updated it. So in every updation there is some or the other package added, and if though that package is used in someone's script, then I will be facing a very big problem, because when I will download the script of the other person or the other teammate into my computer, then that particular package will not be present in my reference libraries, because he has downloaded the Selenium of another version, right? He has downloaded a version upper than me. Suppose someone is using 5.5.2, although it is not available, we have downloaded the latest one, but suppose someone is using 5.5.0 or 3.3.0. so I have some of the methods or the packages basically which are available in my reference libraries, but it is not available in his reference library. So when he will try to run my script, the script won't run over his computer, right? So this problem also is removed by Maven. Okay, so Maven helps us a lot in solving the problems of the project team, and so we will definitely look into the matter that how to set up our first Maven project and then work over it properly. Okay, so in the next video we'll get to know that how to set our first Maven project. Okay, thank you, and keep watching and keep learning.